I thought I would show here the little car that they include, and look at that. Driving is complex, flying is easy. This is interesting. DJI is telling us or people that yeah, flying is easy, but driving a car is complex. Wow, this is cool. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Finally, after 15 days from the first day the dji Mavic Mini was available, I got mine. That's not too bad. I know a lot of big YouTubers got a pre-release version, but I'm going to try to show you guys what these guys did not show in their videos, and hopefully you find that interesting. First thing to note is that DJI puts tamper-proof tape, like you see if somebody, even at the bottom here as you can see, so you see if your package was open from shipment to destination. Mine came from China directly. I thought it would come from the US, but it came from China. So let's open this. I have a few extra goodies that I ordered at the same time as the Mavic Mini. So I'm going to show that to you at the same time. Here, there's a lot of tape in here. I have my waist scale also here, so I'm going to show you a few things also. Again, things that the big guys on YouTube did not show. So a big piece of styrofoam over here. This is my packing list over here. Oh, first thing I ordered, as you can see here, the DIY creative kit, and I'll let the kids draw few different things here. These are stickers, so I'll do a different video on this, probably like a shorter video. There is a good deal at the same time on this SanDisk, a 64 gigabyte card, so I got that. And as you can see here, the Mavic Mini, and I got the combo because I did the price comparison between the base kit and the combo with the bag and the 3 batteries was I think it was exactly $100 US if I remember correctly, and also the prop card. So it was a good deal in my opinion. So I'm going to get the box out in here. There you go, and put this away. So this is it. Wow, my box came in pristine condition. That's not always the case, but look at this. So let's open this one here. I don't even know where to cut the plastic. It's very well wrapped. There you go. I have a little bit of a cold these days here. It started to be cold outside, and I'm trying to fly drones at the same time, so not easy. Okay, so I guess it opens over here. Oh, there is a tape here. There you go. And oh, what do we have in here? Oh, what do we have in here? A couple of things with this big box. Oh, and there is a box at the bottom here. And this is empty. Okay, so what do we have here? We have 2 boxes here, and this is like an insert. There you go. And we have this box here. So in this box, I'm guessing is the prop guard that came in the kit. Yeah, they're wrapped individually, as you can see here. I'm going to open this later. So prop guards, put that on the side over here. In this little box we have, oh, we have the 3 batteries over here. So we have the 3 batteries over here, and look at this, look at the size of this here. And this is the Tello, just to compare the size of the battery. You see that? Yeah, quite well. Look at that. This is the battery, and this is the Rise Tello drone. Look at that. If you don't have a Tello, I have here the Parrot Mambo, which is an excellent drone also. And look at the size of the battery compared to the Mambo. Okay, so 3 batteries, and here there's nothing else in this box. A lot of little boxes in here. And here, what do we have? How do we open this thing here? The charger, and fortunately the right plug for North America, so this is very good. And this is really a faster charger. It's a the output is 3 amps on 5 volts, 3 amps, and 1.5 amps on 9 volts, so it's a high power charging block. A lot of boxes. I don't have enough room here for all the boxes. And here, what do we have? All the manuals. Yeah, all the manuals over here. So I'll look at that later. And finally, wow. You know, when I looked at the release video or email from DJI, it's hard to see on your computer screen the quality, but this is very nice quality case. Like, really, very, very nice. And again, a lot of big YouTubers did not show at all the case and did not comment. So when you open the case, oh, look at the inside. Wow, this is the drone. Look at this here. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Wow, a few tapes all around it. It's well sealed. There's the protector for the camera in the front. There's a little oh no, okay, can remove this. And here we have the remote controller. The remote controller. And look at this. Wow. And the joysticks are inside over here. So very, very nice. I'm going to focus on build quality because a lot of YouTubers did not talk at all about build quality. I can tell you right now, the controller, this is rubber here on the side. Very nice. Like, I was actually expecting something with a cheaper finish. And in my pre-release video I did on the Mini, where I was commenting about what the big YouTubers again were saying about being a 4K, and it's not a 4K, it's 2.7K, and flight time, they said 15 minutes, some of them, and this is 30 minutes. Nobody commented or was hoping that materials would be a high quality. Probably they were, but nobody talked about that. This is very high quality material. And we have here, whoa, we have here probably the holder for the 3 batteries for charging. Yeah, exactly, for charging. And buttons on the side here, right there. So very nice. Also a little plasticky, I must say, here for this part. It doesn't feel like the remote controller. And here we have, what do we have here? Oh yes, all the cables are in a separate box here. All the cables are over here. So lots of cables, a screwdriver, and cables over here, and extra joysticks. And over here we have spare props. Yeah, these are props over here. So these are spares. One thing I wanted to do for a long time, and look at the finish inside. Very, very nice finish. I wanted to weigh this in a long time. I have to remove the stickers so that we don't have extra weight. This thing here, the guard, there you go. And I'm going to open, so the front first, there you go. There you go, here, and here, and here. Wow, and there is a label on the side that says 249 grams. You can see here 249. Wow. Well, I was expecting very, very thin plastic. I know they wanted to go below 250 grams. I know. I just wish that there was no limit. like in Canada, above 250 grams, you have to take an exam. You need a pilot license, believe it or not. You need to register the drone also, like in many countries, but we need a pilot license in Canada. So, Vance here. Yeah, I was kind of hoping for a better quality feel. This is very plasticky, but again, there was a requirement not to exceed 250 grams. So I have my weight scale. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can clearly see it there. So if you put it in here, 149 without the battery, and if I put the battery, 247. Actually 246. Again, my weight scale may not be super accurate. I did not calibrate it recently. I have 246, so we are below 250. So that's amazing. As a comparison, the Tello with the battery is 86 grams, and the Mambo is 69. The Mambo is a little lighter. You can feel it when you actually when you hold them. So guys, yeah, like I am really impressed with the build quality of the remote controller. Like I said at the beginning, very, very impressed. The charger, you can hear it, very, very plasticky. It's fine, I guess. And the drone looks well designed. Look at the finish here, all the lines. You can see, I'm trying to get a good focus. All the lines here are nicely done. It's well assembled. These don't do anything. There is no obstacle avoidance on the Mavic Mini. So look at the front. These don't do anything. And we have here the 3-axis gimbal camera. I was not able to see in all the videos I watched in the past 2 weeks while I was waiting for my drone to see if the sensor is 1/2.3 inch or 1/3. So I'm going to do more research, and I'll put a comment in my video. I hope it's 2.3, 1/2.3. That gives you better resolution than 1/3, so I don't know yet. So you can fly indoor, it looks like here, for positioning. This has GPS, of course. So guys, I don't want this video to be too long. I'm going to do a video that people did not do, and that will be in a wind tunnel. I'm going to design some kind of a wind tunnel in my basement, and I'm going to test this in the wind. And I don't have it here. It's upstairs in my office. I have an anemometer. Anemometer, that's a device to measure the wind speed. So I'm going to use that. I will see how the drone behaves in winds of 5, 10, 20, maybe even 30 kilometers per hour, if my fans can do that. So I invite you to to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, because I'm going to post that video in the coming weeks or even days. So thank you guys for watching, and as always, if you have any questions, put them down below in the comment section. I usually answer to all of my questions and messages. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye, guys.